All right, boys and girls, let's do this. I'm a little bit hype right now. I just won a trade. I just took a little bit of a scalp right here. As you guys can see, I was like $15 away from the high. Boom, took profit right there. Just a little scalp right there. So, yeah, we're going to be going over Bitcoin. We're going to be going over the price action right here. We're going to be going over why this was the high that we ended up getting and why our boy Max, you can see Max right here, he ended up taking a trade, as we can see here, 34,733. This is 34,733. Let's go ahead and put that on here. Let's just line that up. 34,733. So you can basically see that he exactly shorted the high right here. We're going to be going over what we were seeing in that moment, what was going on with divergences at the highs. We're going to be going on over what was going on with divergences at these lows and why did I take this. So it's like, why did we short here? Why was there a long opportunity here? Why was there a short opportunity right here? And then we'll also be going over what is going on in the near future with Bitcoin, some of the levels that we're looking at. So if all of that sounds good to you guys, make sure you guys are hitting the like button, hitting the subscribe button, turn the notification bells on. You guys know what to do. Quick reminder, go down below. You have the link to Discord right here. You can sign up to bybit, get up to $600 bonus. And if you have any questions about signing up, you can go down below as well. And if you do sign up, you will get access to my Neo's ideas, where some of these ideas of 35%, 24%, Cardano's 30%, 17%. So you guys understand the drill. You guys know what's going on. So yeah, let's do that. Anyway, so let's go over the current price action, what was happening. Then we'll kind of like zoom out on a bigger picture, right? So first of all, the first things first is that we did have a naked previous day levels here. So we had a 20 tick and 1 tick point of control. I think the 1 tick point of control was like the absolute doll hair, maybe. No. We front ran it by like nothing. But the 20 tick, we hit it to the absolute dollar. Then we came back down. If we take a look at exo charts, you guys can see here that we put it on the daily. This will give you guys a better view or understanding of what happened here. If we put it on the 10 tick, you can see here to the absolute dollar. So this is the daily point of control coming in on July 6th. Boom, we have that daily point of control right there to the dollar, and then we got a rejection. And then the previous day, we had support right here, then we've come all the way back up. So it's just kind of ranging right here, as you guys can see. We do have another daily naked point of control coming in at 35,430, and then we have one down to the lows at 32,390. And so this that was the reason why Max ended up taking his short, like I just showed you guys over here in his wins, in the wins section right here. Max ended up taking that. Then we also have Michael, who has taken a couple of trades here, and then we also have Blue 7, who was absolutely trading like a madman yesterday. He traded Ethereum, whatever this is, Ethereum again, Bitcoin, another random coin, and another Bitcoin trade here. So congratulations to you as well. And yeah, we also do live trading, as you guys can see here. Trade and chill. We've got Max in there. I was just in there. I had to deafen myself because I'm making this YouTube video. So what is going on with the short opportunity that we had up here at the highs? Well, if you guys see here, these are the highs that we just put in. So let's take a look at this. So you guys can see here that the delta bars, another reason why it was time to short is because the delta bars were showing us that it wanted price to go up more. Look at all these people buying right here. Look at all these people buying right here. Look at these people buying right here. But price was coming down. Price was coming down. And we also had the monthly value area high right there. Down. People were buying. I showed you that there's some divergence in the delta bars, and then we started to come down. So those are two of the major reasons why it was time to short right there. If you were awake during that time, to me it was 1 o'clock in the morning. There's no way in hell. Here I woke up 3.5, 4 hours late. So if I would have been able to take this short right here, but I woke up super late. So yeah, as we started to come down here, let's take a look at what was going on with exo charts again. If we come down, what did we have here? Well, we had some divergences show up. You had prices making higher lows. Delta bars are saying that it wanted to short more because you didn't have anybody opening up longs, at least on bybit, right? At least on bybit, and we started to come up from there. So that was your low right there, and we basically double bottomed right here, basically as well, from this low right here down to here, and then we started to come back up. Okay. And then that brings us to, why did I short right here? Well, you do have some weakness showing up here. So price was coming up and up and up and up and up. Nobody was actually really interested in buying. And people also got stopped out or stopped out of their longs right here as well. So there was no interest in buying, at least on Bybit. And then also too, what I did see was that was the previous day high, as well as my 3-week point of control right here. So that's why I ended up taking that short. And then also too, let's take a look at that. If we pull our Fibonacci, swing high, swing low, you come in directly to your golden pocket, golden zone, and you also had your swing failure of these highs right here. So that's why I ended up taking that short. And so that brings us up to what has been going on and transpiring for today. And again, all of that stuff is taken live in the moment in the trade and chill section of the Discord. It's completely free to join the Discord. Like I said, all you got to do is just go down below this video, go to the right here, Discord. Again, sign up to Bybit. That's where we're trading everything over on Bybit if you have any questions. And I have a Trading for Beginners playlist that's completely free if you want to learn and educate yourself on how to trade. And then I also have an altcoin channel where I'm going over XRP, Cardano, Ethereum, all of those other different coins. So you want to make sure you check that out as well. What else is there? What else is there? I think that's really kind of about it for right now. Oh yeah, too, if you guys do sign up to Bybit, again, I'm the only crypto trader out there on YouTube that's saying, if you do that, I will also give back to you guys by allowing you guys to have access to this idea section here. So let's go ahead and take a look on Exo charts again. Let's take a look at the overall sentiment for the day. So far, all right. So this also shows you that we had our delta bar divergences showing up at these highs. Down here at these lows, we also had our delta bar divergences, and then you had your weaknesses showing up right there. So that's that. And so again, if you guys are new to Exo charts, going from red to white to green is buying. Going from green to white to red is selling. So we had some red to green for the bigger players. So people are buying and buying and buying into this. And then as we were coming down, people were still buying. People are still buying. So they're just basically getting wrecked there. People were buying. Then they started to sell. Buying, then selling. People right here in the middle, 40 to 80K position sizes, just straight buying. These people went from buying to selling, and there's just mainly buying to selling, buying to selling, buying to selling. So overall, it looks like it, it's just overall, it just looks more of like sideways action as far as what we're seeing here. And if we go to the open interest really quick, let's see what we've got here. Yes, price is going sideways. Open interest isn't really doing much of anything. It's just going sideways as well. So yeah, but open interest is kind of falling off right now, which kind of shows us that people are just getting stopped out of their longs, basically. So let's take a look at the net longs, net shorts. Let's move these into not histogram. I don't want a histogram mode. Yeah, let's get off of histogram mode. And let's do this. Let's take a look here. Okay, actually, I hate this. Never mind, we're not even gonna look at that. So there's that. Yeah, so let's take a look here at the 4-hour naked point of controls. What do we've got going on here? Like I said, 4 hour, 33,190 naked. 32,155, and we have one down here at 31,585. And let's just let this load a little bit more so we can get some let's let this load faster. Come on, man. Go. All right, let's do these. There we go. And just to give you guys some other naked point of controls to the upside, 35,795. Let's see here, 36,225. So there's that. So I think that's it for that. Wow, we had a pretty strong buyback here coming in. Let's see what we got. All right. Okay. So glad I took profit when I did on that trade. So let's zoom out a little bit here on the 2 hour. And let's take a look at the RSI. Do we have anything showing up here? Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Yes, so we do have our RSI divergences showing up on the 2 hour between these two right here. I think it's got to be on the 1 hour as well. Yeah, so we had divergences showing up on the 1 hour, but as you guys can see, these divergences don't really necessarily mean much of anything because the price could come back down to the 40 or 50, which is what we've done, and then just continue to pop right back up. I mean, we do have this kind of showing up right here, and then this kind of showing up right here as well. So until we kind of break this trend line, either here or here, I'm still going to remain bullish because this trend line is pretty strong right now. I know that we came up directly to the range point of control. If we look at it like this, we do have these high volume nodes coming in here, and yeah, we do have a gap in the high volume nodes between here and here. So that's a pretty big gap, let's say, right like this. That's $1,000, $1,200 gap right there that we're looking at. So it is possible that we try to go ahead and fill that. We have some highs to take here. So yeah, I would be looking at maybe this area if we could. This area, if we're going to get a pullback, like this area is probably going to be the area to get the pullback from, if I'm being honest with you guys. And let's also take a look at the EMAs on the higher term time frame. Let's take a look. See, let's go to the daily. So yeah, that area is coming in with the 55 EMA. You guys can see the 55 EMA was acting as a pretty strong support when we came down. Support. Then we started to close below it. As soon as we started to close below it, it's like it went down. So this is the first time we've actually been pretty strongly above the 20 EMA for a really long time, since June 13th. So more than a month. So this will be the first time, if we do actually touch 55, it'll be the first time we touch the 55 since May 12th. So that'll be pretty significant. And that area is exactly the same area that I was talking about, as far as we have that little gap in the range. You guys see here, we have that gap right there coming in. This is what I was talking about. So this could be an area for a possible pretty strong rejection. If we don't get that rejection, then obviously the next level would be somewhere around here that we'd be looking at. But other than that, yeah, I want to try to keep this short and sweet, to the point. If you guys want more of these daily updates, if you guys want to ask us questions live, you come into the live trading and chilling section right here. Everybody's usually in here 24 hours a day. Just tons and tons of people ask some questions. And yeah, like I said, do not forget, go down below the video. You got the Discord, you got the bybit. If you get the bybit as a thank you, you'll get access to my ideas. Then after that, you have the questions about signing up. Then you have the Trading for Beginners playlist that's free. I offer a paid course that does come with free one-on-one lessons with me. My altcoin channel. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter, Twitch. I guess I have a Twitch. Coin Market Man to keep track of everything. My email list, all that fun stuff. You guys know what to do. Ball.